Hey, what's up, dentcoin holder? What's going on this time? The dentcoin condition is very good now, plus 2.89%. The dentcoin price will pumps up. I think this is really huge pump, my friend. Absolutely, after a short fails, every coin will, my friends, take a very huge jump. And you can see, my friend, after this fail, I'm 100% sure today will take a very huge jump now. So that's mean, my friend, to the everything is going very good now, my friend. In last 3 days, you can say plus 10.29%. Dentcoin will get a profit. I think it's really huge pump. All crypto market is, my friend, comfortable this time. The price is increasing, so therefore I think it's really good news for all of you, my friends. To this time the dentcoin price is increased now. Holders, please be safe from the loss if you starting selling in this time. So absolutely you are be completely lost now. So therefore please, my friend, be safe from loss. I hope if you just and only follow my advice, I am 100% sure you will get a very good profit in upcoming time, my friend. There is a chance to dentcoin price will pumps up, but if a holder are starting holding, if a holder are starting investing more and more, so there is a lot of chances, my friends, to dentcoin price will increasing. Otherwise, my friends, especially when a market cap is decreasing, so definitely the price is also decreasing. And this time you can see 0.006 USD dollar is the highest price, and the current price is 0.005 USD dollar. So therefore that's mean, my friends, so the price will fails down. The current price in the highest price, these are not a big difference, my friends, but absolutely it's really bad now, my friends. So the price is decreasing, but I hope to they will increase and they will give you a profit. So kindly holders, please, the very huge pump is coming soon. You will need to hold on to the end of month and like this video, please, if you are interested, and subscribe our YouTube channel for more this type videos.